Hello everyone, it's me Shai Morena, Ilocano Morena in Hong Kong. Ngahan mat nga pumudpudawan. Today, I'm sure I'm so excited to share our weekend adventure with you all. Kung anong weekend story ko. So ito na nga, sisimulan ko na at makikinig ka. This weekend dito sa amin, nagbike nga ako at wala pa yung mga friends ko habang inaantay ko sila dahil naging sleeping beauty pa sila ha. I decide na magbike muna dito sa Choking Leng Exit A. Thus, I decide to make use of Hello Ride or Loco Bike option available through the app, which will allow us to easily rent and navigate the area more efficiently. Not only that, but you can also choose to joining a guide cycling tour or simple enjoying some running with your friends or your family as you explore the city hiding gems. Remember to like, comment, share, and let me know how you enjoyed our weekend adventure. And please always remember to be mindful of your surrounding and follow safety measures when enjoying outdoor activities so that you can continue thrilling those who follow along. Thank you for watching guys and visit this place.